Automatic Dependent Surveillance-Broadcast Receiver is a ruggedized product developed by Digilogic Systems that decodes signals from ADS-B aircraft transponders to determine various information like latitude, longitude, altitude, adhering to ICAO standards. Leveraging NI hardware and Digilogic's expertise in ruggedization and algorithm implementation, this ADS-B receiver kit stands out as a unique product. The kit includes an antenna, RF front-end, and an ADS-B receiver equipped with a licensed application. Digilogic's ADS-B receiver offers dual redundant receivers, real-time flight data, built-in GPS connectivity, remote receiver configuration, and easy LAN connectivity for live tracking, making it a standalone unit for network data retrieval. Here are the detailed technical specifications of the Digilogic's ADS-B receiver. The ADS-B receiver from Digilogic Systems is a rugged, reliable solution specifically designed for defense and civil aviation. Compliant with international standards, Digilogic's ADS-B receiver enhances situational awareness and plays a critical role in aviation safety and operational efficiency. Additionally, our product offers advanced connectivity, synchronization, real-time data capabilities, and remote configuration. For inquiries, contact us.